गई पैकिंग तो, बस थोड़ी सी बची है। हाँ ठीक है, ओके।
Hi, I'm Sarthak and I work with Bikat Adventures as an expedition leader and technical content writer. So we get a lot of queries about how to pack a rucksack. So we're going to take a look at the essentials and how to pack your bag for your next expedition. We'll go step by step and discuss the 4 principles that you need to keep in mind while packing your rucksack. A is for accessibility, which means that items that you use frequently or during the day should be kept at the top of your rucksack, while anything that you might use only at camp will be kept at the bottom. B is for balance, which means that your backpack needs to be equally loaded on both sides. Any heavy item should be kept right in the middle. C is for compression. Items should be kept tightly packed together without leaving any gaps or spaces. Small compressible clothes like gloves, t-shirts or thermals can be used to fill in the gaps between larger items. This will keep the volume of your pack low and prevent damage to your belongings. D is for dry. Always keep a rain cover for your rucksack accessible in one of the outer compartments of your bag. You can also use dry sacks or simple plastic bags to organize items inside your pack and keep them dry. Be careful when attaching items to the outside of your rucksack. For example, keeping 2 small bottles on either side will be better than keeping 1 huge bottle on one side. We start at the bottom with your sleeping bag and any clothes that you might need at camp, like your fleece and your insulated jacket. Next, heavy items like your camera, toiletries and utensils go towards the back of your backpack. Surround these items with smaller clothes like t-shirts, thermals and track pants. Fill in any gaps with a quick drying towel, socks and caps. At the top, keep items that you need easy access to, like your cap, poncho, sunglasses and gloves. You can also keep these items in any outer compartment. Okay, your backpack is almost ready, but don't forget the most essential thing, and your mattress. And now you're trek ready.